Golf fitness takeaway with forward lunge. Holding a golf club in both hands at arm's length, have your left hand facing the body and your right hand facing forward. Adopt your golf address stance. Keep both arms straight as you slowly take both arms away from your body. At the same time, lunge forward with your left foot. Try to turn your torso and raise your right hand high. Aim to get your left shoulder under your chin as you complete your lunge. Pause for a second before returning to the start position. Aim to complete 10 repetitions, maintaining good posture, and then repeat to the left with your right foot lunging forward, remembering to swap hand positions.